Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm talking about Skin Resource.MD, my favorite skincare brand. I've used them and worked with them for years now. They have a really good monthly special this month, so I'm going to share that with you. I have a new coupon code to share with you. They have a few new formulations, like reformulations, and new packaging, which I'm excited about. So I have a lot to share, but I'm gonna try to hurry. I don't want this to be too long. I just want to get to the point and share the good stuff. So if you want to know more about all of that, then just keep watching. So, like I said, I've worked with them. I've used them for years. I am a lifer. I cannot live without them. There are some products that I literally cannot live without. If I stop using them, my face is like, what are you using? What are you doing? Like, go back to the basics. And that's kind of why I love them. It's like basic skincare products formulated by dermatologists. These aren't like trending. This isn't like a new company. This is a skincare company that you can trust, and it's affordable too. Like, this stuff is not hundreds of dollars. You get a super good deal, and especially like they have monthly specials like what I'm about to show you. They also have just different deals, like sometimes on Thursdays. And they have skincare kits, which also helps you save money because it just bundles a few things together. And then it's just a better value that way. So anyways, my point is that if you are looking to start a skincare routine, or if you're looking to switch over some of your products, all of these are paraben-free, fragrance-free. They don't irritate sensitive skin for the most part. And they're just, most of the products are for all skin types. So they have like anti-aging skincare kits. They have an acne kit. They have one for sensitive skin, for like for being in the sun. The kit that is on sale or on special this month is called the Instant Gratification Kit, because it comes with a scrub, a serum that is going to help just completely renew your skin, and a moisturizer that is going to do the same. And it's the Baobab, which you hear me talk about all the time. The Baobab is by far the best moisturizer I've ever used. It is like the moisturizer that does it all. The Baobab tree is known as the tree of life. It has so many antioxidants, so many just powerful things that it does for however you use it, the Baobab. But the Baobab cream has the seed oil in it, which just completely renews your skin. It's amazing. It brightens, it lightens, it like evens your skin. It is just I have many videos on Baobab and about all these products, but I basically just want to share this kit because it's perfect for going into fall. I do have a couple of fall videos I'll link in the description on just different tips to kind of transition into fall skincare. During the summer, you're doing a lot of damage, whether you think you are or not. The sun is super damaging to your skin. So you want to just kind of let your skin renew, kind of just help it bounce back from being in the sun all the time. So this Instant Gratification Kit is, if you were to buy each product individually, it would be $118. This month it's on sale for $78, which is crazy good. And wait, there's more. But when you buy the Instant Gratification Kit this month, you'll get an extra moisturizer, and it's the BioLipid Moisturizing Cream, which I'll share when we get into all the products in just a minute. But it is an amazing deal. You get so many good products that are perfect for this season. And the reason I love this kit is because it comes with one of my favorite anti-aging serums. And it used to be called the Age Limit. Now it's called Alpha Hydroxy Skin Renewal Serum. It's kind of reformulated. It's in a new package, a new glass bottle, and so I want to chat about that for just a minute, because I did a video and a whole post on that serum specifically last year. It's perfect for going into fall because it kind of just smooths. It helps with aging and fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps even your skin tone, and it also helps with controlling your clogged pores and that sort of thing. So it's a perfect serum. And in the post from last year, I had a couple of like fun facts. I did a lot of research on the serum prior to this video, but a couple of things. So it's made with clinically proven soothing plant extracts. So if something says it's clinically proven, it's legit, basically. And it also has, so AHA is a skincare ingredient that kind of just like exfoliates and helps with clogged pores. But they use a patented AHA aminoplex. And it's created by the pioneers of AHA skin therapy, and Drs. 𝐑𝐞𝐦𝐢 and 𝐸, and that's linked in this post. All of the posts that I'm referencing in the description, so you can check them out if you want to. And it has a time-released formula, because most of the time AHAs irritate sensitive skin, because it just is straight AHA to the face. I don't know how else to say that. But this is a time-released one. So it is more gentle, or it's better for more sensitive skin is what I'm trying to say. And this formula, or this ingredient, is also sort of like glycolic acid, and it has the same benefits as that, which are exfoliation, cell turnover, hydration, and other anti-aging benefits. Another reason this is perfect for fall. Before I go in and show you all of the products, I wanted to let you know and remind you guys I have a new coupon code for Skin Resource. It is Torey10. The link to shop will be in the description, and that link will have that code in it, so it should automatically give you the discount. But it's $10 off a purchase of $25 or more, and it's for new guests only. So if you haven't made a purchase with Skin Resource yet, it's a great time to do it. Now let's go check out the products. Okay, so first I will show you the Instant Gratification Kit. This is the scrub that I was talking about. It's the Crystal Clarity Scrub. It's really good for like gentle exfoliation. It has tiny little micro crystals that are pretty gentle, and it's like more of like a microderm scrub than like a bigger gritty scrub, if that makes sense. This is the next thing that comes in the kit. This is the serum I was just talking about. It just helps brighten and lighten and just rejuvenate your skin, so perfect for fall. And then this is the Baobab. This is just my all-time. If I had to choose one product by Skin Resource to only get for the rest of my life, it would be this one. This is the Baobab Skin Correction Facial Cream. Is that still the name? Yes. So this is also a newer package. They upped the size, and it's less plastic, so less waste. But this is just such a good moisturizer. You guys have to try this if you haven't yet. It's really good at brightening your skin, and it's also like a good thick and hydrating moisturizer without being a thick cream. That makes sense. It's not greasy, it absorbs well, and when you wake up in the morning, your skin will be glowing. This is so good. This is the other product that you get for free when you buy that kit this month. This is the Ultra Rich BioLipid Cream. It's another really good moisturizer for going into fall and winter because it's a really super hydrating, just like more of a luxurious, like heavy moisturizer. This one is also really good for sensitive skin. So again, just perfect for going into the seasons that we're transitioning to. There are a couple of things that I also wanted to chat about just quickly before we end this video. This is one of my new favorite products. So this is the complete antioxidant total skin moisturizer. They've always had this product, but they relabeled it and repackaged it to be more of just like an all-over moisturizer. So not just for your face, but for your whole body. So I love that because it's just sitting here. So when I get out of the shower, it's just here. I can put it on my face and all over my body without worrying about like putting a body lotion on my face. I don't know, I'm just weird about that. And I love that it's in a pump. Just something that is conveniently packaged like this is something that I'm going to use more. So I love this. And it's also really cheap too, so you should check this out if you're looking for something like that. And then the next thing, this is also newer, reformulated and packaged. It used to come in a different like pump bottle, but this saved me. So the other week, probably 2 weeks ago, I ran out of my cleanser. This is just the gentle cleanser. And I was using like an acne cleanser or more of a deep cleanse, and it really just like pulled everything out of my skin and created like texture and like made me break out. So I used this at night for probably 3 nights in a row, and it completely cleared up my skin and really made it like more smooth, and I'm like obsessed with this now. I never used it before, but now I love it. So this is just a treatment gel, and it's a BHA treatment gel. So perfect when you're in that kind of season where you're just like breaking out or have any sort of like clogged pores or texture like that. This is so good. I think that is everything I wanted to share. I know that's a lot. If you have any questions, just let me know. You can either message me on Instagram, which I'll put my handle here, or you can comment below on this video. You can also email me. I do get a few emails about like how to create a skincare kit or like which products I recommend for you specifically. Just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a good day. Bye.